If you are doing the timing belt on the 1 litre EcoBoost, then there is one thing you need to check, and it is really easy to get to once the engine is stripped down. You may already be aware that the oil pickup strainer gets blocked by the deteriorated timing belt. There's also another filter. This is located behind the oil feed pickup, but as you may think, it doesn't come out here. At the front, with the timing belt off, there is a grub screw down at the bottom right hand side, and if you just remove it, you will find, using a pick tool, you'll be able to pull out the filter and assess it for build-up of debris like you would find on the oil pickup pipe. Steadily just pull it out like so, and you will be able to check it. As you can see on this one, it's not blocked or clogged. You could replace it, or you could just clean it out and pop it back in. I will add a link in the description with a part number. Knowing this knowledge when doing the timing belt could save you heaps, and I hope that it has really helped you. So good luck with the job, and thanks for watching. This has been How to Fix It. Please, why not give us a like and subscribe? And if you're about to do this job, here's the full comprehensive guide on how to replace the timing belt on the 1 litre EcoBoost. And we'll see you over there right now.